I gotta tell you, that noise in the background is Pam over there. This little GoPro, it's my Session 4. It's pretty trusty because I didn't charge any batteries, and there's something exciting happening today, and I want to take you guys along. So yeah, there she goes. She just stopped the vacuum, right? So that we can have a conversation. Isn't that right, honey? Yeah, that's right. Hey everybody, how you doing? We made it. It's like sort of like a life or a childhood dream come true. Just got home and look at this. I just picked this beautiful thing up. Yes, I don't need a mini excavator. That's what everybody tells me. But it's been a childhood dream. It's going to help me to do a lot of things around here, and this will be my very first time driving an excavator ever. Yes, I've been in the backhoe, yeah, sure, so maybe I know how to use the arm, but there is not much space here on the trailer, and I've got to get this thing unloaded for the very, very first time all by myself. So let me get the binders off. I'll set some GoPros up and take you guys with me. Yep, it's got a hammer, and we'll do this together and hope for the best. Note to self, don't buy an excavator in the middle of February. Who does that? Well, thank you for joining me on this adventure. As you can see, we've got everything unloaded here. We've got our buckets. We've got the excavator safely down from the trailer. And thankfully, we haven't done any damage yet. You guys are invited to come along and learn with us. I'm sure I'll do lots of silly things, but that's why we're here. We can learn together. You can tell me some things. Maybe I can show you some things. You never know. We got plenty of stuff lined up as Pam and I take on this big adventure, as we rehab this property and sort of create our own little nest out of it. Certainly lots of jobs to do with the excavator. I wish it was warmer because I would power wash this thing. You never know a vehicle until you actually clean it, right? So that's where you find everything. I already cleaned out the inside of the cab, familiarized myself with the buttons. That cracked windshield, we already have one on order. So that will be interesting because I haven't replaced the windshield before, but we'll live and we'll learn. All right, thank you. See you till the next time.